Have you ever heard the sound of two black holes crashing into each other? This is what it sounds like. When two black holes are locked in a binary system, they get closer and closer because of the energy loss due to gravitational waves. The faster they orbit, the more energy they emit. These cosmic ripples were first discovered by LIGO in 2015. Both the merger events in this soundtrack were different. The first one involved black holes, 29 and 36 times the mass of the Sun, while the second one had black holes 8 and 14 times more massive than the Sun. So that's why their gravitational wave signals differ. And eventually, the sound they produce also differs. For more such videos on physics and astronomy, follow the secrets of the universe.